I'm going to test React Native now and AutoJS6. So I need an Android emulator. Let's open it up. Here we just installed Android Studio. And then we click on this. Click here, Virtual Facility Management. This is the default virtual machine. We open. It may be initialized for a while for the first time. After initialization, it looks like this. Go up. This is the default interface. Here I have ordered this AutoJS6. Let's open it up and take a look. This is an AX8664 APK because we are a virtual machine installed on Windows. Then try dragging it here. See if it can be installed normally. You can see the prompt here that it is being installed. Wait for a while. Okay, so after the tip, you can see that there is an extra icon of this here. Let's pull it up. Here is an AutoJS6 description. I should have installed it successfully. Put this book in. Then we click. It will need to send a notification here. Click to confirm. It needs to be displayed on the upper layer of the application. Click to confirm. We chose him to give him this permission. Return. Keep clicking OK. Give him the same access to this file. Then we will order the menu here to confirm. So let's start with that. Our basic services are accessible through. We click confirm. A pop-up window pops up here as well. This one is closed. We click to open. Click agree. Click to open. Click to no. And here there's an icon that says it's turned on. It has been confirmed here that it was successful. Let's click confirm again. Then open whatever can be opened. Confirm. Open this too. Click continue. Click to confirm. This can also be opened. Put the name of some apps. It may be used when weighing. Above this, it can be opened or not. Let's click to try. Give whatever you can. Return. Click to confirm. We don't need this one that passes ATB. Try it. We don't need this through ATB for the time being. We click confirm because this is not installed, so we don't have to worry about it. First of all, this accessibility must be turned on. This related service should also be turned on. Then I don't need these three for the time being. I don't know what it means either. Then these three need a DB and don't need it. If the others can be opened, open them all. In this way, the permission setting is completed. And here's an example. For example, let's just open one at random. Click on this Hello World. It pops up this prompt box here. Then this Hello World popped up. Indicate that the current is successful. Okay, let's click back. Click to return. This is the initial page if you want to run your own code later. This is Android's own file management. I usually find it in this download. Select the file to be executed. Okay, let's close this page again. That's it for today's demo. Mainly about this installation and demonstration of the AutoJS6 automation and some permission-related settings. Many mobile phone automation-related businesses are behind who use it.